Kung andito sila, wala tayong magawa. Kung pinapasok sila ng gobyerno natin, wala tayong magawa. Face the music. Kung andito sila, kung ina-allow sila. Pero as far as I know, that's only one source of information. And in order for that information to be validated, it has to be confirmed by another source of information. Pero so far si Attorney Harry Roque pa lang naman ang narinig ko na may alam siya. Wala pa akong ibang narinig na may alam na andito na mga ICC silently pinapasok at nag-imbestiga. Wala pa akong ibang source of information. So so far that information has not yet been validated because it has not yet been confirmed by another source. The government's position should be maintained and should be felt on the ground. So kung ang official position of the government is hindi talaga sila entertainin at nangihimasok sila dito, nagkakandak ng investigation, sabi nga ni former Senator Enrile na they can be arrested. They can be arrested kapag nagkakandak sila ng investigation dito na walang clearance sa ating gobyerno. They are infringing in our sovereignty.
You think yung authorities, given na although hindi pa validated yung sinabi ni Attorney Roque, dapat puspusan yung pagbabalidate nila kung nandito ba talaga yung ICC investigator?
Yes, they should do that. They should do that. Otherwise, magiging inutil sila kung di nila alam. Magiging inutil sila na somebody is doing something under their nose. So, dapat alam nila yun.